Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my dry fish. First of all, I'm just cleaning my fish. When I'm done cleaning, I'm going to be drying my fish with a kitchen paper towel. You know, before putting your fish in the oven, you need to make sure some of the water is gone. So I'm just drying it off. Then I'm going to be adding some salt for taste, just a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to be using the soya stick or the kiwi stick to put through my fish because this helps for the drying. It helps for the water to properly come out of the fish. So when I'm done putting the sticks, I'm just going to be putting my fish in a strainer because I want all of that water gone. So I'll just leave it for about 5 minutes. Then right now I'm about to put my fish in the oven. So you see the tray underneath the oven is just to help catch some of the oil that will be dripping. I don't want the oil to drip in my oven, so that's why I'm putting the tray underneath. So whatever is dripping out of the fish will be dripping on that tray. So guys, always make sure to put the tray just so you don't dirty your oven, so that the fish doesn't dirty the oven a lot. So right now I'm just putting my fish in the oven and I'm going to put it on broil. So I'll be drying my fish on broil at 500 degree. I let this dry for about 20 minutes and I'm just turning the sides. So when I turn the side of the fish, I'm going to let it dry for about 10 more minutes. Then I'll be taking it out. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes, or you can even leave yours for 20 minutes if you want it like properly dry. Yeah, so the last fish was a hassle to take out and it ended up breaking. But I tried and I changed the side. So I let the fish sit in the oven for 15 more minutes and now my fish is properly dried, so I'm about to take it out. You see the tray underneath? Do you see the amount of oil that the tray was able to catch? So always make sure to put a tray underneath whenever you're drying your fish. So now this is my fish. Oh, just look at how dry that fish is. Now it's ready for me to make some yummy sauce. So I'm just taking out the stick from the fish and I'll be preserving the fish in the freezer. I'll just leave the fish in there till whenever I want to use the fish to cook something, then I'm going to take it out. So this is the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.